I've been letting this spider live here. I ain't knocked it down or nothing, but somebody tell me what this straight line of stuff is. Is it that he's been catching good and this is the leftover dry stuff from where he done sucked the bodies dry? Look. It's just trying to keep my camera focused on it because it'll focus on something else. Look at this stuff. What is this? I mean, that's him right. Let me see if I can show him. That's him right there, look. Right there. Ooh, I got him good. That's him right there. That's him. Wow, look at it. Damn, it looks like a face, don't it? That's him right there. That's it. Hey.